Imagine driving through the picturesque landscapes of Maryland, from the lush greenery of Baltimore County in the spring, summer, and fall, to the scenic waterfronts of the Chesapeake Bay, and many of its tributaries. The journey is smooth, the road is clear, and your vehicle is equipped with the finest safety features. But, do you ever pause to think about the silent guardian that's always there, ensuring your safety? That's right, the auto glass, your windshield and side passenger windows of your vehicle. Auto glass is more than just a window to the world. It's a critical component of your vehicle's safety system. Think about it. In a sudden collision or unexpected accident, it's the barrier that stands between you and the hazards of the road. From supporting airbag deployment to preventing passengers from being ejected, the role of auto glass in ensuring safety is monumental. Not all auto glass is created equal. There are the heroes of the windshield world. Laminated glass, designed to stay intact even when shattered, and its cousin, tempered glass, known for breaking into tiny, harmless pieces upon impact. These aren't just pieces of glass. They're meticulously engineered for your protection, and in the hands of experts like those at Extreme Vivid Auto Glass, they're installed to perfection, maintaining the vehicle's integrity and your peace of mind. Yet, even the mightiest heroes have their vulnerabilities. A small chip or crack, seemingly inconsequential at first, can compromise the entire structural integrity of your auto glass. The danger isn't just in what you can see, but in what you can't. Reduced visibility, weakened glass, and the risk it poses to safety. That's why addressing these issues promptly isn't just recommended, it's imperative for road safety. Choosing Extreme Vivid Auto Glass means choosing safety, quality, and peace of mind. With certified technicians, high-quality materials, and a warranty that stands as a testament to their work, your vehicle is in expert hands. It's not just about fixing a piece of glass. It's about ensuring your safe voyage on the road. Remember, maintaining the integrity of your auto glass is not merely for your vehicle's appearance, but a cornerstone of your road safety strategy.